Hi, this is from Sose University. There's a job opening for the technology Workday Integration. The location is Pan India. The experience rate is 5+ years. Salary rate is 25 lakh per annum, and the email ID will be given in the video description. So you can send them your resume or contact them through email. And the second technology is SAP CPQ Developer or Architect. Location is Pan India. The experience rate is 3 to 7+ years of experience. And the third technology is Senior Salesforce Lightning. The location is Pan India. Experience need is 3 to 7 years. Salary rate is 18 lakh per annum. Skills must be data migration, Apex, and JavaScripts and integration. And the fourth technology is SAP CPQ Developer. For the location, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, and Bhubaneswar, and Vizag. The experience need is 3 to 5 years. The salary rate will be 18 lakh per annum. The mode hybrid mode. And the next technology is Oracle DBA for the L3 role. The location is Navi, Mumbai. The experience period is 8 to 14 years. Salary will be 19 lakh per annum. Education, BTech, BE or MCA or MTech. The mode will be work from office is mandatory. And the email ID will be given in the video description. So you can send your resumes there or contact them there. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for more job details. Thank you.